how to find upcoming Cosmos airdrops early, and know when the snapshot date is as well. You guys are going to be a lot more organized with your Cosmos airdrop after watching this video. Let's get started. What's going on, guys? My name is Sir Lewis, and if you guys love the best crypto videos, leave a like, subscribe, put that notification bell on so you guys can be up to date. So like I said in this video, I'm going to show you guys here exactly how to find upcoming Cosmos airdrops and be up to date with everything from snapshot, claim dates, the requirements for the airdrops, right? All that stuff in this video. And they're basically going to be three ways. So the first way is going to be joining my free Discord, 100% free Discord. My Discord is called Investor Rest Club, and it is 100% free, no tiers, nothing like that. And it's based on crypto passive income. But as you guys can see right here, I have airdrop alerts, and these airdrop alerts are mostly for Cosmos or any project on cryptos or any project out there that is having a huge airdrop. I post it right here. I tag everyone so everybody gets the notification, and you guys can be up to date just by simply being in my Discord and checking the airdrop alerts every time you get a notification. So again, like I said, it's 100% free. I have altcoin alerts, I have node alerts. Everything here is based on crypto passive income. So definitely join my Discord in the linked comment below. The second way is going to be have a Twitter and follow me as well as many other influencers in the Cosmos ecosystem. And to find these, you guys can simply just go to my likes and see what I like. I usually retweet a lot of these. This one right here, Crypto Like Mo, is a big one on a Cosmos airdrop, as well as Cosmos airdrops Twitter. But simply just by following me in all these Cosmos Twitter accounts, you guys will be up to date. You guys will see all the updates on your feed on Twitter. Great. So the last method is one of the best ones, and it's simply using these two notable Cosmos airdrop websites. As you guys can see right here, I'm gonna leave the two links in the description below. So there's Cosmos Drops and also this one, cosmosairdrops.io. I really like this one. The reason why I like this one, let me show you guys here exactly how to use this. Okay, for example, I want to see the ones that have the most recent snapshot date. Okay, so you click right here, snapshot. So as you guys can see, these are the most recent ones, March 15th, March 12th. And you guys can also check right here the claim dates, the one that is the most recent claim dates. It tells you all the dates. It's super organized. And what I love too, which is part of my title, which is finding upcoming airdrops early, you guys can simply come right here to upcoming. Okay, and you guys will see the upcoming airdrops. Look at this, April 14th. These are all upcoming and legit. Okay, guys, and it tells you it all right here. And the best part about this website, these are legit airdrops, and if they're unsafe or scammy, they will be listed right here on archived. As you guys can see, archived right here, dangerous. Okay, so this one right here is dangerous. Don't try to claim this one or connect your wallet to their website. So this is a great website to check if they're a legit airdrop or not. And what I like too is right here where it says rumored. So these are the ones that are rumored. They're not confirmed yet, like the upcoming ones or the claimables, but they're rumored, and you guys can literally click on them, go to their Twitter and all that stuff and see. And the second website is also amazing because you guys can literally paste your Cosmos address right here and see which one that you're able to claim, okay, from all of these right here. So again, join Investor Rest Club Discord in the pinned comment below, 100% free, focused on crypto passive income. So thank you guys again for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. If you guys got any questions, leave it in the comments below. Again, all the links for these two websites in the description below. So thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.